Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn long text into mind maps, automatically using free AI in 2025. This is super helpful for studying, research, or organizing ideas from articles, reports, or even books. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gemini AI. This free tool can take large chunks of text and break them down into simple, structured ideas. Copy the text or article you want to use and paste it into Gemini. Now, in the prompt box, type something like, turn this text into a mind map. Organize the main topic in the center, key ideas as branches, and supporting details as sub-branches. Gemini will instantly summarize your text into a mind map structure, showing the hierarchy of ideas in a way that's easy to follow. If you want a visual version, just copy the outline and paste it into free mind mapping tools like MindMeister, Coggle, or even Google Drawings. These will let you paste the AI's structure and instantly see a full mind map diagram. You can also refine it further. For example, you can ask Gemini, highlight only the most important concepts for the mind map, or make the branches shorter and easier to read for a presentation. Once you're done, you can export the mind map as an image or PDF to share with your team, students, or on social media. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn large text into mind maps using free AI in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free AI tutorials.